Hello mates, welcome to Full Stack Java Developer. I am Kiran Jadhav here. In this session, I will teach you here map versus flatMap. See, map and flatMap both are the methods coming from Stream API. Then here, map preserves the original structure and while flatMap flatten the result. Then I will take here best example for you can simply consider as a HRM application like human resource management application. In that we'll consider we have available list of employee, and to list of employee you can simply say the employee coming from different departments. Then we'll simply come up with the example first and then we'll come up with the theory part here. Then I'm just going to open here Eclipse, come up with the package and right click on package, new Java class I am creating here. The class name I'm giving here map versus flatMap example. See, our application is created successfully. Then we'll just create here main method, and here I am creating the POJO class name as employee. Then in employee class we are adding here private int employee have ID, next private string employee have name, and we'll add here private, it will be list of you can simply say string type of department we are going to add, that's called you can say employee department. See, then here we are going to create constructor, then simply right click, go to source, generate constructor using fields. Next we require the getter setters, then simply right click, go to source, generate getter setters. To print the output as a formatted you can simply say like object as a formatted output, then we require toString method, go to source, generate toString method here. Perfect. Such a way we have created here our POJO class. Now we'll come up with the inside main class main method. There I'm adding list, it will be type of our employee. Then we'll consider this will be employees equal to stream of, and we are adding here list of employee data. See, I just added here 3 employee list actually you can simply consider. Then now here we are just going to add first for map perspective list, it will be type of list of you can simply consider string, and then I am giving here this will be department have list equal to we are calling here this is employees dot stream dot map function we are going to use here, and here map it is used for you can simply say one-to-one mapping, it means preserve the original structure here actually, right? Yeah, for that perspective I am calling here this is employees reference, and amp dot get departments you can simply consider get employee departments, right? Now we are just going to use dot to list here, see on screen. Then next we are just going to use printing statement, and this is you can simply say department have list, and we are adding here this is the output for our map, you can simply say this is the output for map. And once I am trying run a Java application, see it will print, right? Now it's giving the compile time problem, we'll see what is the problem there. Yeah, this class is imported from another package, Control A, Control I, Control Shift F. Now it will format the code base. Simply try run as Java application, see one screen. Here we have available this is list of you can simply say string of data available for our department. Then now coming to next is you can simply consider here we are going to use list, it will be type of our string we are going to consider here, and this is you can simply say departments, we are using here equal to employees, this is the list of employee we have available, and then I am calling there stream API stream dot flatMap, here we are using flatMap function. Then again I am using reference as employee, you can simply say with lambda expression here get departments, and after that we are calling here this is you can simply say stream, and then we are using distinct because there will be available you can simply say number of department as duplicate as well, right? That's why I'm using here distinct, and then use to list. Distinct it means it will print the unique you can simply say, right? Yeah, duplicate it will goes to avoid there actually. Okay, now we are using here printing statement, and there we are going to print here those are the departments, and this is the output for our flat map. Control A, Control I, Control Shift F, it will format the code base. Now simply you can, I will explain the example and then we'll go ahead with the output. See, inside main class main method we have added here list of employee. As per our business requirement, we have added the 3 employees here, and each employee coming from different department, like Swara coming from HR and finance, then Deepak coming from research and development and QA, and Pooja coming from QA and finance department. Then the first one we are using here, this is like department list, and we are using here map function for one-to-one mapping, you can simply consider, and it will, you can simply say, preserve the original structure. Whatever we are passing for like Swara HR finance we are passing here, right? Same for Deepak R&D and QA, and the Pooja QA and finance department, like it preserves the original structure. But whenever we are coming with the flat map, right, then definitely whatever like those departments we are passing there, right, then finally it will consider within single, you can simply say, like flatten the result, it means within single list you can simply consider at the end. Perfect. Then map perspective we are just passing here, this is like employee as a reference we are giving, then lambda expression we are getting the departments converting into list, and it will be type of our, you can simply say, list of string. And then coming to flat map perspective, you can simply say like we are using here stream, and then once we are using here flat map, then we are getting the data actually for the particular employee departments, you can simply consider. Again we are going to stream of data there, and by using distinct it will avoid the duplicate, you can simply say, like unique element it will goes to print here, right? And at the end we are just going to run as Java application, you will be able to see the output, see one screen like map, you can simply say like it preserve the original structure. We have HR finance here department, R&D and QA, and again next employee as QA finance. But if you are coming with the flat map, then definitely flat map flattens the result, like those all within single list we have merged here actually, like this is possible because of flat map. Then I hope you got the clarity of example here. Then we'll come up with some theory part. See here, map it transforms elements one by one and keep the structure as it is. It converts each employee into a list of department name, you can simply consider, like same output we have available there, right? Yeah, this is the best example here. And flat map, it transforms and flattens the structure into a single stream. You can simply consider in flat map we are getting, this is the output here within single stream, right? Single list, you can say, like we merge those list of data into single list. Coming to next, flat map, it converts each employee into a stream of department's name and flatten them into a single stream. And here, see, here is the output for us. This is the best example. And at the like summary, you can simply say as a conclusion here, map is used when you want to retain the structure, and flat map is used when you want to flatten nested structure list into a single stream. For that perspective, I covered here, this is the practical example actually. But till if you are facing any difficulties, feel free to add your errors in comment box. Then upcoming sessions I will take more deep dive into JDK8 stream APIs. Then thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe this channel to get more updates, and see you in next video.